Hi guys, it's me, Sue Lynn from Renpet Bath & Beauty. We are here to announce the winner of our Summer Solstice Giveaway. In the giveaway, you can get one of our 4 scents of soap. We have Margaritaville, which is our lime margarita soap. We have Midnight Train to Georgia, which is our peach margarita soap. We have Kokomo, which is our Pina Colada scented soap. And last but not least, we have Together Forever, which is our Papaya, Guava, Mango scented soap. They all smell absolutely incredible, and you can pick whichever one you want. So what's going to happen is I have, in my husband's lucky Red Wings hat, I have all of your names, all of you, my beautiful subscribers in here, and we're going to pick the winner right now. And after that is done, I will go on your page and I will check to see if you have an email address or contact information, and if, let's say, it happens to be another soap maker, I, can always just leave a comment or whatever. But if you're just a viewer and not a content creator, my email address will be in the description box below, and contact me, and then we can get together and figure out, which soap you want, and I'll get it to you. So here we go. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited. I dressed up for the occasion, you see. Whoop. Okay, I'm not gonna look. Close my eyes, and just pick one. Just pick one. And the winner is Love Gold Karma. Congratulations. I'm so excited. That's so awesome. So we are going to contact Love Gold Karma and let them know that they have won one of our 4 bars of soap. So we're going to do giveaways here and there. So, keep subscribed, and maybe next time you'll be the winner. So I appreciate you guys being with me and subscribing and watching my videos. You guys, it's everything, and I love all of you. I love communicating with you and being able to share knowledge with you guys, and let's keep it coming. Let's continue to grow, because we've grown a lot in the last couple of months, and I can't tell you how awesome it is. So thank you very much, and I will see you on Friday. Bye-bye.